Hello Botswana, my name is Mogi Moroka. I'm here because I think that I should be the next gemstones. I should go to New York because I feel that I should show people my talents. I'm going to sing a song by China Annie McLean called Dynamite. I throw my hands up in the air sometimes, saying, oh, gotta let go. And I wanna celebrate and live my life, saying, oh, baby, let's go. And I came to dance, 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 dance. I hit the floor cause that's my plans, 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 plans. I'm wearing all my favorite friends, 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 friends. You need space, come hold my hands, 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 hands. Yeah, yeah, and it goes on and on and on. It goes on and on and on. Yeah, I throw my hands up in the air sometimes, saying, oh, gotta let go. And I wanna celebrate and live my life, saying, oh, let go. Cause we gonna rock this house, we gonna go all night, we gonna light it up like it's dynamite. Now I told you once, no I told you twice, we gonna light it up like it's dynamite.